Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI, and I'm here to tell you a little about the OLAPLEX. I have number 4 and number 5 here, so that's the Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. So I don't know much about what bond maintenance is, so I did have to do a little research, and it says that it's supposed to restore and repair your curls or your hair. I just use the word curls because that's what I have. So I would think anyone who's got bleached hair or dyes it often, this would be something that you would probably want to look into. So my concern with any repairing of my hair is weighing it down because of all the extra moisture. So I knew these were expensive, but I was willing to try it because I've been feeling my hair's lacking a little lately. So I feel that these worked very well. I don't have frizz. I mean, all curls have some frizz, but I don't have like a crazy amount of frizz, which is great. It did not weigh down my hair, which is important because we want these curls to bounce. It's beneficial for all hair types. So I was a little hesitant also because of my curls. I normally try to go with products that are good for curls, but because it's good for all hair types, I mean, both worlds win. So my curls worked. I'm sure this works very well for straight hair. And my hair, it feels fuller and healthier. So I did use, I'm going to show you the back a little bit. I did use the number 3 also, which is a treatment, I guess, too. But I'm pretty happy with this product. I would recommend it. A little goes a long way. So I just used this for the first time today. I just use it for the first time today, and I barely touch the surface of this stuff. So you can see the length of my hair. It's semi-thick. I really think this feels like a lot healthier and thicker right now. I'm happy. So anyway, I feel like this is a pretty good product and it's worth the money, and that is my point of view.